see the condensation in here, and that's inside. Pretty bad. This one might be a little worse as far as oxidation goes, but it also has the condensation in there. Turned the headlights on to kind of see where the highs and lows were, and I did that so that I can get a rough idea of where the left side lights were and the right side lights were as far as aiming goes. That should get us in the ballpark. Screw right here for the headlight, and I believe there's 2 underneath this bumper, so there's no way to get at them unless we remove the bumper. Let's pull this bumper off. What we're gonna need to do is remove all these clips along the top, and then there's gonna be some clips also up underneath the bottom all the way along the front and sides. The seam right here where the fender meets the bumper, there's gonna be a couple clips and a unclip. Okay, let's set this somewhere safe. Remove this bolt right here. These 2 bolts right here. And then remove this bolt up top. Okay, the fasteners are all loose now. The only thing holding this light in, clip right there. Okay, there's one main connector right down here. Now that that's loose, basically, there's only 2 connectors left. Here. All right. Subaru has self-cleaning headlights. I wonder if these are still under warranty. And let's do the other side. Now on this side I removed the clip that goes right there because it comes on the headlight. So this will be a little bit faster. And then you got 1 connector here and 2 here. 2 electrical connectors. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. There's 2 dowels to line it up. You want the dowel here, and then there's a dowel down here, and they both line up with corresponding holes. As soon as you put those in, it'll kind of snap right into place. Well, let's put this bumper back on. Okay, what you want to do is just kind of hang it here, and just kind of wiggle it to get it into place. Same thing here, there's little clips right here underneath the headlight housing, and the bumper has to slide underneath of it. So you just want to kind of work them in there. Just ever so gingerly. Goes on one way and one way only, and that looks pretty good. Once that's done, put your 6 plastic fasteners in. If any of your clips came out kind of broken like this, find a clip that fits and works in there. These are the originals. Anything that will fit in there tightly and fasten it will work. They just get old and brittle from being plastic, and then they'll just kind of break. And it's pushing around that seal nicely. They look like they're pretty good. This gap is pretty even. It's squishing that seal. There shouldn't be any adjustment realistically, but if your car was in a collision or something and tweaked the fenders or whatever, you might have some issues there. Let's finish fastening the bottom of the bumper. let's see if these lights are remotely close to our old marks. And that chair is in the way. That left side is spot on. So that right side is not far off. Low beam is just missing the tape, and the high beam is just missing the tape to the inside. Those adjustments are 5/16 or 8mm wrenches. And I'm just gonna put a ratchet wrench down in there, and we'll just turn it one way and see what happens. And it's gonna raise the light. You can see the tape starting to get illuminated. As soon as that tape's illuminated, so both low tapes are illuminated, both highs are illuminated, so that's really close to the original adjustment. So I'm gonna adjust this one more time at night when I can fine tune it or perfect it, but I think this is gonna be really close to where it needs to be. And hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, smash that like button, and if you're new, please subscribe.